Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What amazing, just good, incredible day it is today, right? And we are talking about vocabulary and using the right word. Well, pronunciation of a word can really make a difference, right? Because I'm the special ed professor trying to make sure I say these things right each time. So I go to different sites to see different ways of saying it. And today's word is B-O-F-F-O. B-O-F-F-O. So what they're telling me how to say it is Boff, like B-O-F-F. Oh, so Boffo. And that's supposed to mean excellent, great, wonderful, exciting. Today's video is going to be Boffo. And I guess if you put an accent in it, it really makes a big difference. The problem with this word is that I see it, is when I first read it, I didn't read it as Boffo. I read it as Boffo. And when I think of Boffo, I think of mofo. And so Boffo and mofo are probably not good words to be able to use. And we're not going to talk about those in our vocabulary. So if you can remember today when you get excited or when you are doing something extremely successful, just to say Boffo, and you will be right on time. All right, so good talking to you today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.